Hey guys, so I'm always on the lookout for pretty awesome keyboards since I prefer using that than over those on my laptop computer. These keys are cooler and I feel like they type faster. Anyway, I found this particular keyboard with a white backlit design, and I love that it's quiet when I type. In order to turn it on, it is USB wired. That way, I don't have to worry about recharging it or finding a replaceable battery. It's a full-size keyboard with a white illuminated LED color. It's compatible for Windows, the Mac OS desktop, laptop, and your PC. It's made up of 104 keys and the material is ABS plastic. Dimensions are 17.7 by 6.3 by 1 inch, and the key switch life is 5 million stroke times. For those of you who are into gaming, this keyboard is great to play with. It can also be suitable for people who are the elderly and those who just need large font print keys. There's no glare and your eyes are protected. Again, the keys are smooth and it looks really cool, and the setup is pretty easy. It's classy and modern, especially in the dark. I have attached the link in the description box so you know where to get it. And if you like more of these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thank you for watching and let me know how your experiences turn out.